The reason we exist in the first place, we want to promote the values of lifelong learning. It's not something we're just saying it for marketing purpose. It's inside of our DNA. It's guide us, our purpose guide us to do what decision that we are going to make. Look into what we are doing to promote our purpose. It doesn't really add any revenue for us. We are giving out a scholarship because we want to promote the values of lifelong learning. We are creating learning movement. We are going in asking CEOs, decision makers, students, employees, everybody, what learning means to you. Why do you think lifelong learning is important? What have you learned today? We are asking the same consistent question to everybody and getting their answer. But why are we doing this? Why? Because we want to promote the values of lifelong learning. We want others to see that the reason they became successful because they are lifelong learners. You're going to hear it from all the different CEOs. You're going to see it from all the authors. You're going to see it from instructors. You're going to see it from employees. We are doing this. Why did I write a learning book? Ultimately, the whole goal is that steps to become a passionate lifelong learner. What are the 80 steps that you have to go through to become a passionate lifelong learner? It's all tied back with our purpose. The moment you think that you know it all, you're going to stop growing. You gotta consistently learn. We are in the age adults. I cannot feed you information. Companies cannot feed you information. You need to consistently learn. If you're the same person today, the day you join NetCom, you are not learning. You're wasting your time. But I know that we have a group of people who is consistently learning. It doesn't matter how old you are. We gotta consistently learn. I think I used Socrates quote one, and he mentioned he's a great philosopher. He said that all I know is I know nothing. All I know is I know nothing. And when you hear that, it's not about his lack of confidence. He's a highly confident person. It's about his recognition that learning is a never-ending process. So we cannot really promote the values of lifelong learning, and I cannot spend enough time with you unless we practice it. You have to ask yourself questions that what did I learn last weekend? What did I learn last week? What have I learned in last month? Are you the same person? If you're not closing enough deal, if you're not able to market the NetCom classes and fill out our event, if you cannot really effectively reduce our cost target, if you cannot really improve our customer service, ask how. Be curious. Why it's not happening, or if it's improving, why it's improving. You have to go through process of learning. We must become a lifelong learner. We all must become a lifelong learner. We have to practice what we preach. We have to understand our purpose, and if we don't do that, it's just a fake statement this organization is sending. All of us has to feel it inside that we are passionate lifelong learners. We really have to feel it. And I really challenge you, if you stay in this company or not, if you walk out with one learning from this organization, that NetCom Learning infused and instilled the value of lifelong learning in you, then we succeeded. If you leave this organization, if you walk out with that, because your life will change completely. So I want to make sure that we all understand the NetCom purpose is to promote the values of lifelong learning.